Sakai can be accessed with a computer or a mobile device. When using a computer, course sites are available in the site navigation to the left. Click the triple bar icon at the top left to hide or display this panel. Newly available sites are added to the site navigation automatically as pinned sites. Additional sites may be listed in the Sites drawer at the top right. Be aware that not all courses will have a Sakai site. However, if you're enrolled in a course that should have a Sakai site but you can't find it, contact the instructor. The Sites drawer can be used to access and pin sites to the site navigation. We recommend revising your pinned sites at the beginning of the academic term to easily access relevant courses throughout the term. To pin a course site, hover over the site's name and click the pin icon to the right. To search for a specific site, type the course title into the Filter Sites field. To rearrange the order of your pinned sites, click the Organize Pinned tab. Then, click and drag the triple bar handles up or down the list to reorder sites. When done making adjustments, click Reload at the top of the Sites drawer. To unpin a site from the site navigation, hover over the site title and click the pin to the right of its name. The site will then be listed among a handful of recent sites below. To retain the site as pinned, click the site's pin again. If the Sites drawer becomes cluttered with old courses, sites can be hidden in Preferences. To hide sites, click the Account menu at the top right. Select Preferences, and click the Sites button. Next, check the boxes of the courses to hide, and click Update Preferences. Course sites can be unhidden here at any time. On mobile devices, the current site and page will display in the breadcrumbs area. Tap the 9 squares icon at the bottom left to display the site navigation. To access sites not listed in this panel, tap the control labeled View All My Sites. More information about Sakai can be found in our other videos or by visiting the PLU Knowledge Base.